Replace the power supply board. With the host facing upwards, remove all the screws. When operating inside the machine, it is necessary to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic damage to electronic components. This is power board. Remove the screws around the edges. Unplug the connecting cables. The power supply board has been removed now. We take a new power supply. We need to pay attention to the orientation and make sure not to insert it in the wrong direction. We need to secure it with the screws around the edges. Connect all the cables. Push the top cover inward. Align and then close. Tighten all screws. Any question, please contact us. Thanks.